Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that is as essential as it is universal: breathe. This is a B1 level verb that means to take in or let out air. It's something we all do every single moment of our lives, and yet this simple action carries so much depth in language and expression. Let's start with the basics. To breathe is to inhale and exhale air. For example, you might say, "I need to go outside and breathe some fresh air." It's a vital function, and the word is used in many everyday contexts, both literally and metaphorically. You can also say, "Take a moment to breathe and calm down," which suggests using your breath to relax or regain composure. Now, let's look at some synonyms for breathe. One synonym is inhale. For example, she took a deep moment to inhale the scent of the flowers. Another synonym is exhale, as in, after finishing the exam, he let out a big sigh and exhaled with relief. Both words focus on specific aspects of the breathing process and can add precision or variety to your sentences. On the flip side, let's explore antonyms. A key antonym is suffocate, which describes a lack of air, as in, without proper ventilation, the room felt stifling, and he started to feel like he might suffocate. Another is choke, which happens when something blocks the air passage, as in, she almost choked on her drink when she heard the surprising news. These words highlight situations where breathing is obstructed, offering a stark contrast to the ease of simply being able to breathe. In daily life, we use breathe in so many ways. You might hear phrases like breathe a sigh of relief after a stressful situation or breathe new life into something when refreshing or revitalizing it. For example, the new manager has really breathed life into the company with her innovative ideas. These expressions show how the word extends beyond its literal meaning to convey feelings, actions, and change. Let's hear a few more usage examples to bring the word to life. The baby was so still that her mother leaned closer to make sure she was still breathing. During yoga, it's important to focus on how you breathe to stay centered and calm. He couldn't breathe in the smoke-filled room and had to rush outside. So there you have it. Today we explored the word breathe, its meaning, its synonyms like inhale and exhale, its antonyms such as suffocate and choke, and how it shows up in phrases and everyday conversations. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join in on the fun. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using breathe and share it in the comments. Until next time, take care and remember to always take a moment to breathe.